beautiful people, it's Adia, the Radiant Redhead, and I'm so glad to have you here today. If this is your first time visiting, then welcome, and if not, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about pattern beauty, but first things first, please do me a favor and subscribe and like this video. I would really appreciate it. Now, who cannot stand Tracee Ellis? Like, she's so standable because why? She's been a natural hair goddess for as long as I can remember. Queen of outfits, top-notch slayage, love her. Literally have been loving her since I was way too young to be watching Girlfriends, and I would sneak from under the covers just so I could watch it with my mom. Literally no questions asked if she was coming out with any type of hair care line. You already know I'm the first one in the store. Like, honestly, let me show y'all a little bit about me walking into Ulta right quick. Honestly, I'm geek right now. It's the moment of truth. Y'all know why I'm here. Y'all know exactly why I'm in here. We get the products, we're back at the house, so excited to try, and I'm really excited to let you guys in on just my thoughts. Here goes. Basically, I got everything. The shampoo, which one is it? Here we go. I got the small size of the shampoo just because I wasn't exactly sure how I would like it. I'm not a huge shampoo person, and I do have a favorite shampoo, but we'll get into that later. I also got the intensive conditioner for tight textures. Said when your scalp and hair needed TLC. I typically need both, but my hair texture isn't too tight, so I wasn't exactly sure about that one. Now, I went ahead and got the big body bins of the heavy conditioner for coilies. It's for coily and tight textures. My hair always needs a good condition, and I didn't see any reason to get a small one. A few of the reviews I've seen already said that they really enjoyed the bigger size, so why not go big or go home. And the leave-in. I wanted the largest size that they have, but honestly, they were sold out. So this is what I got. Might be the best product that I've put in my hair in a good minute. I love the leave-in. It's wonderful, but again, we will get into that later. I got both oils just because I like putting oil in my hair. It's wonderful. You'll see the wonderful results from that. And lastly, I got the brush just because why not? Let's get to it. First of all, we're going to go ahead and start with the shampoo. Boom, gotta start there. And shout out to all the girls with extremely thick hair, so thick that it literally takes you a year just to be able to feel water on your scalp. Like, you should feel seen, you should feel heard, because I see you and I hear you, and I'm representing us today, okay? Got a nice little dollop out, cool consistency, smells really fresh, kind of like roses if you ask me, but hey. So I went ahead and applied it to my hair. Again, my hair is extremely thick, so I really played myself with that first glob. Had to do a nice double take, and that should honestly do it. And I probably could have made it work with the first one if I would have spread it out a little better, because it does lather a lot. And like, when I say a lot, I mean like a lot. No 21 Savage. So after working all the shampoo through my hair, I go ahead and rinse it out. It did take a little minute to rinse out, but I probably used a little more than I needed to because I didn't realize it was going to lather like that. But my hair personally didn't feel extremely stripped. It did feel clean, but it didn't feel like dried out or anything. My hair was decently moisturized before that, but again, I'll be using the heavy conditioner for coilies, for tight textures and curly hair. And excuse me as I continue to dab my face like I'm preaching an Easter Sunday sermon. But yes, a nice healthy dollop of conditioner. And then I realized, of course, again, I have thick hair, so that wasn't going to work out for me. I was going to need far more conditioner, and I had to separate. Now I got the Denman brush, or shower brush rather, and I will say the most important thing is it didn't have a lot of shedding. Like if you look at the picture here, that's all the shedding that I had, and my hair sheds, like it literally sheds. But I had to continue to apply more and more conditioner, so I'm really glad I got the big amount. I'm so embarrassed, my camera cut off. Like, are you kidding me? But anyways, back in it, still conditioning. So I separated it, put it in 3 sections, finger detangled it, even though I had already ran the shower brush through it, and then I rinsed out the conditioner. My hair felt amazing. All of the products actually smell the same, except for the oils, and they all smell like roses, real fresh. And it's like a very faint smell of roses, so it's not overpowering at all. After I got all the conditioner out, it's time to hit the leave-in, and I promise I really will work on figuring out how to get that to focus. But I took a huge glob of leave-in, and the center of my head ate it up, like it was starving. Not really sure what you want to take from that, but hey, there it is. So I had to add a little bit more leave-in than expected, but it's fine. Give and take. But like, can we talk about it? Do y'all see the definition? Like, I'm not being dramatic, but I'm being dramatic. This stuff feels amazing. Hair is bouncing back. My curls literally never look this defined when I just put any product on them, like by itself. Like, I literally probably could have done a wash and go, but I was a little nervous. But yeah. Yeah. Alright, so boom. Here is a first glance at the curls post wash, condition, and after applying the leave-in. I waited until I got out to apply the serum. It says you can make it a cocktail, but I wasn't really trying to do all that in the shower. So boom, that's what we're working with. Boom, that's what we're working with. I should have probably tried to pump this before I started recording.
This is so humiliating!
I gave myself 4 little spritzies to rub around my hair. So I've already added the jojoba oil. This is the argan oil. Both of them are set to add moisture and shine to your hair. Love me a good oil, especially for something like a twist out. So I added a few, probably like the same 4 or 5 spritz to that. And I should probably specify the oil was really light. It didn't feel like it weighed my hair down at all. And that's something I was really excited about. Now from this point, I thought about doing a wash and go and letting it go, but like some other people who I've seen reviews, I've never done a wash and go without a styling product. So I'm going to do a twist out. I'm going to do part of it and go from there. If you want to see my twist out video, please let me know. Drop us some in the comments, DM me, hit me on IG. I'd love to make a separate video if that's something that you guys are interested in. But just for the sake of time, I'm going to go ahead and just speed through this entire process just so that way we can get more to the finished product. And of course, extreme gel, that's my cheat code. I like to put that on the ends of my hair, so when I get to like an inch down in the twist, or the last inch of the twist rather, I add just a little bit of the gel and I comb through it just so that way it helps it hold. And I'm a really rough sleeper, so it also allows my hair to like really set and protect my ends so that way they don't like end up like ovals and stay coily. right, that's how we're looking so far. So I'm gonna finish the other half off camera, but I will be back with you and we can do a big reveal tomorrow. Good morning. I must have been sleeping good because your girl lost an earring, but we're about to peel that muffin cap back blue and get into these twists today. Looking good. We're going to undo the twist using the oils. I just like to undo my twists because it makes them less frizzy when I add an oil to them. So I'm probably going to pick my favorite one to do first. Let's see how we're looking here. She's a cutie. She's really a cutie. I'm doing just 2 spritz of each oil, rubbing my hands together, nice and shiny. And we're going to just undo here. Get into it.
And that's exactly why I put the gel bands.
Now I will say I was a little concerned about definition just because I was only using the leave-in, but granted I did it on wet hair, so I should have never doubted it. But this, I wish I could figure out how to like perfectly sew. Hold on. Is that to it? I hope so. But it's stunning, like stellar. You love to see it. So after first glance, taking them out with the oils, honestly, I'm loving it so far. The definition is amazing. I haven't had a chance to pick it out yet, and I will. But there's no flaking. My hair feels extremely soft. It smells really good. It smells really fresh. And did I mention that my hair is so soft? Like, all right, face V, time to pick her out and separate it just a little bit more. I'm not going into my office until tomorrow, so I don't want to risk it getting too frizzy. But right now, it honestly looks amazing. We're grateful to Tracee and her team. We're loving it. We're living for it, honestly. I don't know what to do, and I'm gonna add a little bit more oil while I separate a few more pieces. Get into this. Do you see this?
The flavor, oh my God, it's so real. Like,
Thank you all so much for watching. This is basically the finished result. I absolutely love it. Curls are busting. My hair feels so soft. It's not crunchy. It's a lot of volume. The definition is there. And this looks like a twist out that would last. And that's the most important part for me. It's like, is it gonna last me at least 4 days? This will do it. So Again, highly recommend. Go get your pack. Thanks for watching.